If you want to enhance your security by removing all devices from your Capital One account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your device settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the Capital One mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Access security settings. Before changing your settings, use the Etrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. View registered devices. In the security settings, look for an option that displays your registered devices. This will show you a list of all devices currently associated with your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Identify the all devices you wish to remove from your account. There should be an option next to each device to either view details or remove it. Step 5. Confirm removal. Click on the option to remove the selected devices. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal process. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove all devices from your Capital One security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.